Welcome back to the English Essences podcast.
Join us and learn English fast.
Hello, hello, and welcome. I'm really glad you are here today. Have you ever felt a little nervous when meeting someone new? Maybe just wondering what to say first. Oh, I feel that too sometimes.
Yes, me too. Sometimes I don't know what to say. I just smile and hope it is okay.
Oh, I understand. That feeling, it is very normal. Meeting someone new can be a little scary, but also it can feel exciting. A chance to connect, to share, to smile.
Connect. That is a nice word. I like connect. It means when people feel close or share feelings, yes?
Exactly, Alex. Connect is about making a little bridge between your heart and someone else's. Even a small hello can start that bridge.
Ah, yes, a bridge. I like that.
So today, we will talk about greetings and introductions, simple ways to say hello and feel calm when you meet someone new every day.
Yeah, every day. I meet people in the park or in the shop, and sometimes I forget words or I say, strange things.
That's okay, really okay, Alex. Every word you say, even if it is small, is a gift to the other person, and we can practice together, softly, slowly.
Thank you, Emma. That makes me feel better.
Let's start with the simplest greeting. Hello.
Hello. Softly, I can say hello or hi, maybe. Hi.
Perfect. Yes. Hi, hello. They are very kind, simple, and friendly. When you smile with them, the words feel warm.
Oh, yes, smile. Smile is when your lips go up and it shows happiness.
Exactly, Alex. Smile, it is small, but it can change the feeling of a moment. When you greet someone with a smile, they feel welcome, safe, calm.
Oh, that is nice. I like making someone feel safe.
And you can also add a small question, like, how are you?
How are you? Yes, how are you? Or maybe, how is your day?
Perfect. Yes, both are very warm, very natural. And Alex, here, day means the hours from morning to night. So when you ask, how is your day, you ask about the time they spent today.
Ah, yes, today, my day. It is busy, but nice.
That's lovely. And when someone asks, you can answer simply, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. And you? Yes, I can say that.
Yes, and notice it is soft, gentle, short, but it shows care and attention to the other person.
Yes, care. It is when you think about someone and want them to feel good, yes?
Exactly. Care is small acts, words, even a smile that show you notice the other person.
Oh, I see. It is nice to care. It feels good, too.
And now, when you introduce yourself, you can say, my name is Alex.
My name is Alex. Simple, easy. And maybe I can ask the other person, your name is?
Yes, softly, what is your name? Or your name is are both kind, gentle ways to ask.
Okay, so my name is Alex. What is your name?
Perfect. That is very natural, very warm. And sometimes you can add a little extra, like nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yes, nice to meet you. It feels soft, happy, yes?
Exactly. Happy, gentle, soft. It shows pleasure meeting the person.
Pleasure. It is a feeling when something makes you happy or you enjoy it, yes?
Yes, Alex. Pleasure is like a small happiness inside when you like a moment or a person.
Oh, I see. Small happiness. I like that.
You can also add a little extra, like how's your day, after nice to meet you. It makes the conversation flow naturally, gently.
Nice to meet you. How's your day? Yes, I can say that.
And the person can answer simply, it's good, thank you. And you can smile and nod softly.
Yes. Nod, yes. Nod is when you move your head up and down to show yes, or agreement, or understanding.
Exactly. Nod, small, quiet, very kind. It shows you listen, you care, you notice.
Oh, yes. Listening is very important. I feel calm when someone listens to me carefully.
That's very true, Alex. Listening softly, with attention, makes people feel seen, safe, appreciated.
Appreciated. It is when someone says or shows they like what you do or who you are, yes?
Yes, exactly. Appreciated, small words, small gestures can make a big difference.
Oh, I like that. Small gestures. Small things, big feelings.
And when you feel a little shy, you can always repeat softly your greeting, like, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Alex.
Hello. Nice to meet you. My name is Alex. Yes. Soft. Slow. I like it. Feels calm.
And in your life, you might say, hi, I'm Alex. How are you today? Or, hello, my name is Alex. I like your smile. Soft, gentle, kind, small bridges.
Oh, yes. Soft, gentle, kind, small bridges. I like that. Very nice.
And, dear listener, you can try tomorrow or today, even now. Say one small greeting, softly, with a smile. Notice the feeling. Calm, warmth, connection.
Yes. Tomorrow or today. Small greeting. Smile. Soft, calm. I like that.
Let's slowly remember the words we learned today. Hello, hi, how are you, nice to meet you, smile, care, pleasure, friendly. 5 small words, but very warm, very strong for connection, for calm, for happiness.
Yes. Hello. Hi. How are you? Nice to meet you. Smile. Care. Pleasure. Friendly. Easy. Small. Soft. Gentle.
And the simple sentences, softly, you can try in life. You can say, hello, my name is Alex. How are you? Or, hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you. Or, I like your smile. Soft, gentle, kind, small bridges.
Oh, yes. I can try. Softly. Gently. Small bridges. Connecting hearts. I like that. Very nice.
And, dear listener, take a slow breath. Feel calm, feel warm, and remember every small word, every soft smile, Every gentle question is a gift to someone and to yourself.
Yes. Gift. Soft word. Smile. Gentle question. Very nice. Calm. Safe.
Thank you, dear listener, for being here softly with us today, practicing, feeling, connecting small bridges with words and heart.
Thank you, Emma. Thank you, listeners, for listening softly, gently, calmly.
And if you feel warm, safe, or happy, please maybe like or comment. Share your feeling gently, softly.
And maybe subscribe if you want to come softly and listen again. Slowly, gently.
Take one more slow breath. Feel calm. Smile. Small bridges. Soft words. Gentle hearts.
Yes, soft words, gentle hearts, small bridges, calm, warm.
Goodbye, dear listener. Softly, gently, warmly. Until next time. Soft smile.
Goodbye. Softly, gently, warmly, small bridges. Quiet laugh.